Hi, I'm Jarvis Hunt with Wayner Global, and today I'm going to go over how to remove and replace components on your CF-RV17-21 gas range. First thing we're going to do is remove our grate. We'll remove the screws from the top of the cooktop. You're going to lift up on the back and it's going to slide out. Now if you need to change a gas burner, any one of these, there's two screws that keep these in place. And you have your igniter wire. Follow that igniter wire over to the igniter. You can unplug it. The burner tube assembly is removed. And to reinstall it, just reverse your operation. You can plug it back into your igniter. And reinstall both screws.